Hands in the air! Stay there! Open the door! Gun! Get in the car! Where the hell did they get guns? Did you say they sell drugs? There's 3 of us and 2 of you. You really want to die for some taco money? Open the door! Gun! What are we doing here, Poe? Thought you said this was gonna be easy. Ah! Don't kill anybody! Tell them that! Cover me. I got this. Flashbang! Come on! Come out! You get it? Yeah.